Element 45 on the periodic table is rhodium. This is Norris Teaches Science with me, Mr. Norris. This is Physical Science Edition video. This video is going to cover a topic from the physics side of physical science. And today we're going to talk about types of waves. So your goal for this video is I can classify waves into many different types. So like always, let's start off with the definition. What is a wave? A wave is the movement of energy through something called a medium by vibration. Waves are all about the movement of energy, and we've been talking about energy for a lot of physics if you've watched some of the other videos I've done, because physics really does deal with the energy. But it's through something called a medium, and there has to be vibration. So what are mediums? They are any material that waves transfer through. So they could be liquids. Think of any liquid out there: water, orange juice, anything a liquid, air or gases, and solids. And solids are some of the best to transfer sound waves through. How sound is traveled, how you're listening to this, you're having sound waves go from the speaker of whatever device you're on through the air to your ear. Sound actually travels best through solids. What moves in a wave? Energy. Energy moves in a wave. That's what waves carry. They carry energy. You can see in this top picture up here, this is a device that's sitting in the middle of the ocean, and you have waves coming through. But the device is just going up and down, because waves transfer energy, not matter. If you want things to travel with waves in the ocean, you need something called current, and currents are different. Earth science is where you're going to cover more about oceanography and how ocean waves work. So types of waves, there's three main types of waves. The first one is a mechanical wave. These are a disturbance in the matter that carries energy from one place to another. These are basically, when you think of a wave, you think of like sound waves. You're going to think of mechanical waves. The next one is called surface waves. This is a wave that travels along a surface separating two mediums. So the example would be, say, this ocean wave here. It's separating two mediums. It's separating the water medium from the air medium. And so that's why ocean waves are considered surface waves. And then the other one is an electromagnetic wave. These are transverse waves. We're going to talk about what that word means in a moment. That change between electric field and magnetic field. So like X-rays and radio waves are electromagnetic waves. I'm going to have a future video talking about the electromagnetic waves, the electromagnetic spectrum. Just know that they are electric and magnetic alternating fields. And the sun emits electromagnetic waves. Now going back to those mechanical waves, those basic waves that you think of that are like sound waves and stuff like that. There's actually two types of mechanical waves out there. The first one's called a transverse wave. Is a wave that causes a medium to vibrate at right angles to the direction of travel. So in the sense, it's an up and down movement. It is what you think of when you draw a wave. All right, it's what you think of when you draw a wave. So, and light waves are transverse waves. The other type of mechanical wave is something called a longitudinal wave. It is a wave in which vibration of the medium is parallel to the direction of travel. You can kind of see that here. It kind of looks like a slinky. It's like a back and forth motion. Longitudinal waves are sometimes also called compressional waves because you compress at some points and then expand it at other points. And sound waves are considered longitudinal waves. This bottom GIF here, this is a tuning fork. If you hit it on an object, the tuning fork vibrates, but it sends out sound waves, compressing the air and doing some other stuff to it as well. But that's some basic stuff about waves, the types of waves. We're going to get into a couple more videos about waves and different stuff with them, parts, relationships, even doing a little math with them. So come back and watch some more videos. And I'm Miss Norris, and I'm out for today.